What's good, y'all? It's time for Mana for the Soul, and today we are making asparagus.
They're like the perfect side dish, and they're literally so good for you.
There's so many ways you can make asparagus, but today we're gonna grill it.
Let's get into it.
All right, y'all, we have our asparagus. They're already washed. We have about a pound of asparagus here, and then we also have our oven preheating at 425. You're gonna find the place where it actually snaps. Wherever it snaps, this is probably the hard part, and you wanna get rid of that, and this is what you wanna do it.
But since we don't have time for that,
Ain't nobody got time for that.
you could just use that one as a guide and use that to cut all the other ones.
That's exactly what you're gonna do. All right, that's it. It's chopped, and it's the perfect height. So now what we're gonna do is start seasoning it.
There you go, my love.
Thanks.
Yeah. We got like lots of seasoning here. We're gonna start off with some olive oil. I'm just gonna drizzle the olive oil, just like we have some black pepper, and you can like eyeball it, right? We're just gonna go ahead and like eyeball this black pepper.
You know that I can't eyeball things. Like I'm a cereal measurer.
Really? Even for cooking?
Yes, like my recipes that I've made like 80 million times, I still measure it to this day. And it comes out perfect, but I'm not one of those people who are like, yeah, let me just fill it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I listen to my ancestors. Like, I don't measure, unless I'm baking, but I don't measure.
Right.
We're gonna do a little bit of sprinkle of kosher salt. We got some unsalted butter. We have some garlic powder. Just a little bit, just sprinkle, not the whole thing.
Bit.
Yep. And oh yeah, fresh garlic.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Smells good.
Here's one tip about garlic. When you're not feeling well and you're sick, you should be
I
eating
do that.
raw garlic.
I do that every time.
Wait. Okay, can we talk about that? I eat a piece of garlic when I'm sick. I do that.
Come on.
And my stomach starts like,
Burning?
yes, like I'm dying.
How many did you eat?
4 cloves or something like that. Crazy. There was this one time I literally felt like it's like it was fighting all the toxins.
Yeah,
in
all
my
the
body.
toxins.
I
I was
felt
gonna
like I
say
was
that
dying.
means that you have something in your stomach.
Yeah.
And it's
But
killing it.
I haven't done
That's
4
what that
cloves.
means.
I haven't done 4 cloves, but I have done
am I
like
gonna
raw
do?
garlic.
Go to the doctor?
Yeah.
No, but every time, even if I feel an inkling of me getting sick, I'll eat 2 garlics and
And
I'm
you're good.
completely fine. I just have
Yeah.
to drink water with,
I could just take it. Yeah.
I could just take it too.
Mm-hmm. All right, so lemon juice. Oh yes.
So satisfying to me.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead and like mix it with your hands with the butter.
Was there anything that you were not allowed to say when you were little, even though it wasn't necessarily bad?
Yeah, there was.
What would you-
Okay, this might sound kind of awkward and weird. So my family's from Fiji, so I do speak like Hindi and I speak another language. I wasn't allowed to say snail in my language.
How do you say it?
Gongi. I know that sounds so awkward and weird. So what is?
Smells
It
good.
smells so good.
Whoa!
It
Oh
just
my God.
It just hit me.
I know.
Okay, wait, gongi?
Yeah, you're like gongi. Yeah. So what it is like I wasn't allowed to say it because I would be like trying to say something bad to my brother without actually calling him a bad name. And I'm like, so my thing was like he's a slimy little thing, and I'm like, okay, you gongi. Like I would.
And then your parents would get mad?
I would get in trouble for that.
Oh, okay.
What was your thing?
We would get in trouble for saying lie.
Lie?
Like you can't say like, that's a lie, or he's
saying,
telling a lie.
What?
Oh, what? Yeah, nobody can say
You
what.
can't say
No.
You know what? I told my children like you can't say what. So like what is a bad word? So they stopped saying what in general. I'm like, no, you can say what is that?
Is that?
What are we gonna eat? Like they were like, I can't say what, and it's like, no,
They're
you
like-
can't say what when I call your name.
Right. What?
Yeah.
That's like a record scratch. Like
Yeah.
literally, it's like. What you
Dang, that looks good.
See, like you literally see the seasoning. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you season something. All right, got my roasting pan. I lined it with parchment paper so we don't have to do too many dishes. Just lay them out.
That smells
Yeah.
crazy, bro.
And all you need to cook this for is probably like 9 to 12 minutes. These are the thinner asparagus, so it doesn't need long to cook. So, but when you have the thicker ones, probably add about extra 5 minutes, but I would just check up on them.
Have you noticed that organic asparagus is usually thin and then like
Yes.
Yeah,
it
just like
does.
all the fruits and
all
vegetables.
the GMOs.
Yeah.
They're
Mhm.
nice, big, and juicy, and then the real
Yeah.
ones.
Oh my god.
The
like,
smell,
oh
right?
my, the smell is
No, this-
ridiculous.
Again.
I really wish you guys could smell it.
It smells so
But
good.
if you make it, you can. So make
Yeah.
sure you make it.
That's like all flavor.
Period.
There you go.
You guys can smell this. Like,
I need to
please make this. Please, just so you can at least smell it.
So how long is that gonna cook?
Oh, about 9 minutes.
All right, let's get on to the next.
Alright, you guys, so it's done and it smells flipping amazing.
Oh my God.
We have to
It
taste
smells so good. Okay, before we add our extra toppings and garnishes, we want to go ahead and actually taste it and see how it's seasoned.
I'll do it.
Okay, go for it.
Don't threaten me with a good time. I'm literally about to like twist this like spaghetti.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
Hate it so much.
Loved it so much.
How was it?
Fire and desire. Right?
Oh my gosh, perfect.
Really? It's perfect?
Perfection.
Okay.
You know when you be eating asparagus and they have like to be like hard, like a little bit.
We got rid of it.
It's perfect.
Right? Okay. To take it up a level, add some crushed pepper flakes to give it a little kick.
Okay.
You could do a balsamic glaze, drizzle some to give it some sweetness. Also, we have some Parmesan cheese. So let's go ahead and dress it. We're not gonna use too much because it's like already like so good. So this is a time when you're gonna go ahead and actually do it to your liking, do it to your taste. I'm gonna add just a little bit of pepper flakes, just a little bit.
I've always wanted to do this.
Ooh, that's really good. That's good.
There
Good
you
job.
go. Oh,
You killed that, right? You did a good job with that.
Like,
That was my
look
dream.
at that. It was your dream.
It was my dream to
Bucket list crossed off.
Dreams are coming true. Like, what?
All right.
True every day.
Sprinkle just a little bit of Parmesan cheese, not too much, just a little bit of
Damn.
Parmesan cheese. And actually maybe one more. Yeah, so, and then like, just a drizzle.
Nice.
That's it. Mic drop.
I see what you're doing here.
Okay? Like, bring this to your family. Feed them this. Like, just looking at this like you're sitting at a restaurant.
Yeah.
It's like, hey guys, eat my asparagus.
Mhm.
Hope you loved it.